As the week-long activities of the Nigerian Bar Association (NBA) Ijebu Ode Branch 2025 Annual NBA Week celebration enter its 5th day, members of the association have paid courtesy visits to security agencies in Ijebu Ode. Sumisola Adenuga was part of the visit and now reports.
The first port of call of the legal practitioners' visit was the Ijebu Ode Area Command of the Nigerian Police, led by the branch vice chairman Damilare Shosanwo, who centered his engagement with the area commander ACP Wasiu Adesoye Yusuf on partnership and the need for symbiotic relationship between the law enforcement agency and legal practitioners for a better society. The area commander, in his response, appreciated the association's proactive step, describing it as timely and necessary for peace and order in the community.
I'm really happy for the robust relationship between my men, the police, and the bar, because we are like twins. I mean, inseparable. If you do our work well, you have less job to do there. That's by way of thorough investigation.
The NBA later proceeded to the Ijebu Ode Minimum Correctional Center, where they were received by the officer in charge of the center, Mustafa Abdurafiu. Discussions there focused on the rights of inmates, prison decongestion, and the welfare of the awaiting trial inmates. The Assistant Controller of Correctional Service, in his address, commended the NBA for always being supportive and appreciates their interventions over the years.
It is left for you, the lawyers, to please at least assist us in reducing the number of inmates here. Today, our capacity is 400, and we are harboring nothing less than 600.
The courtesy visit was concluded at the 12th Field Engineer Regiment of the Nigerian Army, Ilese Barracks, Ijebu Ode, where the team met with the brigade commander and other senior officers. Addressing his guests, the brigade commander, Lieutenant Colonel Enias, commended the NBA for their efforts and promised that the command will continue to work together with the NBA Ijebu Ode branch, especially their planned activities for the NBA week.
This set of people we are in is in synergy with our profession, and because we operate basically on the same line, we feel that we should use it as an avenue to create a bonding between us, so that there will not be a rancor between the NBA and the police, the army, or the correctional center. I think it will bring about a lot of unity among us.
Activities marking the 27th annual bar week of the Ijebu Ode branch continues on Wednesday with football match between the NBA Ijebu Ode branch team and Nigerian Police Ijebu Ode Area Command team at Dikpo Dinner Stadium.